Discover your slice of paradise with this enchanting riverfront farmhouse nestled in the rolling hills of Vermont, perfectly positioned for both serene living and productive farming. This classic farmhouse boasts one-story living with a full kitchen, living room, three bedrooms and one bath, all situated on 11 plus acres of land with a creek flowing through it. The property features rich and loamy soil ideal for cultivating various crops, and the river's natural irrigation provides a head start on creating a flourishing farm. With its unique blend of country charm and farming potential, this property is a rare find. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.